tools. Okay, so first one, I hope you have Gmail. Okay. For example, the teaching Gmail for me is I use the mail.mcu.edu.tw. And next. Okay, actually the English is the same, okay? And type your password. Okay, how many of you remember my password? How many of you remember my password? Nobody, right? If you know my password, I'm getting the trouble, right? Yeah. You pick everything, right? And okay. And remember I mentioned 9 holes, right? So the 9 holes right here. 9 holes right here. And maybe this week, normally your daily life, because this class is called logical and critical thinking. Okay, I'm like almost 60 years old. You guys just like 20 something, right? So you have a long time to manage your logical and critical thinking. Yeah, so time is money. So maybe that's your daily life, okay? So remember for this semester you will use the Gemini, okay? So Gemini is for free, okay? So especially for student, you are free for at least 1 year, okay? I encourage you to use the gem, okay? Gem is diamond. Jewelry, okay, so you can click on gem, okay, and for this, let me give you an example. For this class, maybe I will type the 114-2, logical and critical thinking, okay, and that will be one section right here, and you type the safe right here. The English version, I think, is the same. So you just click on the save, and you can begin to talk. Okay, talk. So, and in the long run, you will have the one special topic right here. So for this semester, I mean, I will remember it is the gem. You have to click on the gem, okay? That will be a special topic, okay? And sometimes if you don't want to use it, I mean, the dialogue will be listed here, okay? So it's nothing right here because we just started. And I have to remind you for number 2. MA1, okay? MA1 is like a 5% semester grade, okay? 5%. I think a language. It's already on the board, okay? So now they will have 3 questions, okay? 3 questions. But I will finish my PPT and I will, well, for the AI chatbot, they will give a lot of, words, right? Knowledge. But sometimes it is correct, sometimes it is not correct. For example, okay, let me go back to the model right here, okay. Is anyone text back me? I sent a text about 2 days ago. Nobody answered me. Does anyone remember HDLG in Chinese? You received and understand, 收到了解, right? I explained on the stack course, right? So you can just give me a reply, HDLG 114-2. What's a CT mean? That's the abbreviation for a course, logical and critical thinking. Okay, understand? And we still keep the happy learning. Okay, so if you guys give me no replies, that means what? You will get a 100 on what? On the Moodle number 1, right? Do you remember that? So you can pick, okay? Pick, I think last year. So they will have a grades right here. So that will be the semester grade here. And you can give a more text reply. You will get like this one, right? Moodle number 1 right here. Moodle number 1 here, okay? Everybody get 100, remember that? Okay? So if you got time, please reply the text. Also, if you have any question, text me, okay? And also, the other email is somewhere under my teacher schedule right here. Okay, right here. The email is right here. Okay, here. Okay. Yeah, you can send by this one or the Moodle text. Okay, I will reply you. Okay. And the last course requirement, the attendance is still the same, okay? It's like 30%, okay? If you are sick, that will be 1 point per hour, okay? And if a personal business, like 3 hours, okay? 3 points, 3 points per hour. And no reason for us is like 5 points per hour. So you have to change the absent to the personal business within 2 weeks. Okay, remember that. Okay, so because last year only 2 people took it. Okay, so let's see. Let's check out the morning class. Okay, no, not this one. This one, okay. Okay, so do you remember the different colors represented the different weeks, okay? For example, the 17 weeks, like this color right here. So if you got a 2A, that will, 5 times 2 is 10. So your attendance is like 90, okay? 90, okay? And remember the price is here, okay? So 1 point per hour for sick, okay? And business 3 points per hour, okay? Absent is 5 points per hour, okay? And you can change the status from the absent to the personal business, okay? And remember, it's like 30%, okay? And also remember the regulation. If your absent records over 1/3, right? You automatically fail, okay? Automatically fail. Okay, remember that? And 5% MA1, I wrote it on the board, maybe right here, okay? Okay? So we will focus on the writing, okay? Focus on writing. And yeah, it's a recording. So if someone is not here, maybe you got business for this week, you can check out the recording content on the bottom, okay? For every week, okay? It's the same style as the biostats, okay? But Our class is, rolling adjustment, okay? So right now the week 1 is okay. So within 2 weeks, okay? So next time you come here, be sure to preview the week 2, okay? So I will rolling adjustment for every week, okay? So let's go back here. Any question about attendance is almost like 1/3 of your semester grades, okay? And three kind of like official, no point will be deducted, okay? Official, okay? And the second one is the monthly period, okay? Monthly period, okay? The other one is called the psychological adjustment leave, okay? Psychological adjustment leave, okay? So this three kind of leave will not take any points, okay? So that's for attendance, okay? And also we have a teaching evaluation. That will be on the midterm. So it's not about teachers, it's about teaching. So sometimes around like week 9, I will ask issues about teaching. So be sure to do it. If you do it, you get 100 on your midterm grade, okay? Right here, midterm grade, okay? And also will be type it in your student system, okay? So if you didn't do it, your midterm grade on the system will be a 0, okay? So that will be very important. Do remember that, okay? And we have quizzes. And for example, today we have the MA1, okay? So that will be like 1, 2. So before the midterm, we have two quizzes, okay? 2 quizzes. After midterm, there will be the other 2 quizzes, okay? Yeah. And final project right now is except the Moodle activity is 5%. So we have a 35%. Maybe we can discuss it. You can do the written report, okay? I hope it's the written report. That will be help for your graduation project. So that will be a number 3 on the board, okay? So focus on your graduation project writing, okay? So that's the reason I introduced the Gemini right here. Gemini right here, okay? So you can use the Gemini as your writing assistant, okay? Or your secretary writing assistant, okay? So is anybody don't know how to use the Gemini? Yeah, you can, different AI tools you can use it, okay? Sometimes like a Copilot something, okay? And your dialogue is a lot. It will be right here, okay? They will leave it, okay? They will leave it. So a lot of dialogues here, okay? Very helpful, okay? And let's go back here. Any question here about regulation the content regarding the course conduct? Any question here? No, pretty much the same as the biostats, right? Yeah, pretty much the same. But I think a question will be different, okay? And 35% here, maybe let's discuss it. You want to personal or group? Personal or group? Personal or group? I respect your decision. Yeah, think about it, okay? In this course, you want to, if let's have a advantage and a disadvantage. If for you personal, you can make a research in deep way, right? Deep way, deep and wide. Yeah. But for the group project, some people copy paste, some people, count on you, right? Sometimes it's unfair, right? Yeah. And this class is different. This class is mainly is focus on the logical and the critical thinking. Okay, because your academic career is long. Okay, 20, maybe 19. If somebody is 19, 18 years old, 19, right? So your academic career is long. So maybe you can be working on your master degree, right? Working on your PhD degree. So this class is very important for your thinking, okay? And if you don't have a question about this grading, okay, you can reply here. Does anybody remember that? You just copy and paste, okay? And please introduce yourself here, okay? Major, English, name, English personality, etc. You can copy here, go to the Gemini, okay? And you give the name, okay? TZUCHIN. Just give some, simple words, right? My name is this is a very English name, okay? Interesting, like swimming, reading, right? So if you got an AI, your assistant, you just don't, you don't have to type the whole things. Just type the keywords, okay? Swimming, reading, and researching, right? Researching and teaching. Somebody says sleeping, right? Sleeping. Personality. Is anybody heard about the introvert and the extrovert? I'm kind of. How did you? Extrovert, VERT. Introvert means I'm speechless. Extrovert means I'm, sunny boy. Hey, but introvert maybe I'm a sleeping boy or something. I'm as a speech. Trouble about speak. Yeah, that's true. And what's the requirement? Personality, etc. Okay, etc. Okay, let's see what's the Gemini give us the summary. Okay, so if you got an AI assistant, okay, so they will have a quick profile. Okay, so if you want to, export to the Excel file, you can click on here, right? And you open the Excel file, okay? So you can get the result table right here, okay? And but right now you have to answer this one, right? So I'm give a quick way. I type the keywords, okay? But do you know the one story about the National Taiwan University graduate? He took like 6 months to find a job. But the National Taiwan University is the #1 university in Taiwan, right? Do you know what's the reason for that? Autobiography. When they give the autobiography, just give a keywords, just like I type name and interested in personality, nothing else. You know, it's not like a composition. You know, so for autobiography, they need to see the whole things. Okay, so let's see the. So for this class, I mean, I hope you can get the, you know, for writing, you know, aspirant writings from dots to the lines and to the, you know, dimension. Okay, so let's see Gemini. Okay, so. Or you can give a more prompt, okay? The teacher ask to give a detailed description. Okay, so let's see. But sometimes you have to check it is, you know, it is right or not. Okay, so let's give a lot. Okay, so major, no, it's not major. Okay, it's wrong, right? So my major is like what? Experimental statistic. My major is you type the experimental stats. Okay, okay. So you give a correction right here. Okay. Yeah, it's more improved. Okay, so teacher ask just a paragraph, just a paragraph. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you can make a copy and go back to the word. Go back here. Okay. Let me change the status. Change as the student. Okay. So you can hit submission right here. And turn in the assignment, okay? But you have to give a credit, right? So you can type a source, right? Gemini, okay? So remember when you involve the writing, you have give references, right? And you have a freshman or sophomore, right? Give the source, okay? Otherwise, you will violate what kind of law? What kind of law? IP law, intellectual probability law, okay? So use the Gemini, you give the source of Gemini, okay? So this semester, I will help you on the writing, okay? And you can improve, okay? Improve your academic writing, okay? So let's go back right here. 1, 2. So right now for like 70 or 80% for the professional report writing, they will follow the APA. I think I mentioned before, right? APA means the American Psychology Association, and right now it's version 7, okay? Version 7, so it is APA 7, okay? So, okay, this is a Chinese and by English translations right here. For example, right now, if you know how to use the Gemini, actually language is not a problem. For example, I put Chinese right here. You can type translate, okay? Translate. Okay, so they will give a translation right here. Okay. And let's see the other one. Okay, translate. translate in, right? Am I spelled the wrong word? Vietnamese wrong word? No, but doesn't matter. Let's ask a Gemini, okay? Maybe yeah, okay? So even a wrong word he can guess, okay? So it's good? In Vietnamese is good? You can, but it's for me, okay? So you can try by yourself, okay? And be sure to answer the assignment, okay? If you got the time, okay? And some software right here. Remember, Gemini normally called the bird, B-A-R-D, okay? It's like a dog, bird, okay? And in 2024 they changed to the Gemini, okay? So that's kind of history, okay? And that's the one I mentioned. If I have a new video content, right? I will put right here, and you will see a 114-2, okay? So because this is the first time, so have you guys played the quick draw before? Quick draw. Where? Quick draw. Oh, here. Did we play before? No? It's a very logical and critical thinking, okay? So now we'll count 5% semester grade, okay? Let me give a demo, okay? Let me give a demo just one time, okay? Two times. Let's play it, okay? And if you click on it, you can, this is called the AI experiment, and made with some friends from Google, okay? You can change the language here, okay? Let's change the English here, called a quick draw, okay? So you will have 2 times. So you have 6, let me show it, okay? Let me show you, okay? Let's draw, okay? Remember, you got the 2 chances, okay? 5% grade, semester grade. Tornado, okay? Tornado, what's the tornado?
I see ocean. Or pond. Or hamburger. Oh, I know, it's tornado.
Okay, got it? You have 20 seconds, okay? Remember, you have two chances. Second one, what? Cell phone. But we didn't show me, right? Cell phone.
I see line. Or skyscraper. Or door. Or square. Oh, I know, it's cell phone.
Oh, okay, I got it. I have necklace.
I see underwear. Or computer mouse. Or grape. Oh, I know, it's necklace.
Hey, so you don't have to finish, you know. The AI just like a Gemini show you. Vietnamese even at top of one word. It guess it is Vietnamese. Basketball, okay? Basketball.
I see circle. Or moon. Or baseball.
Hey, baseball.
Oh, I know, it's basketball.
Okay. Megaphone. Megaphone is what? Megaphone.
I see nose.
Big phone, right?
Or eraser. Or marker. Or screwdriver. Or cell phone. I see wine bottle. I see computer mouse. Or telephone. I'm not sure what that is.
Phone is like a
Sorry, I couldn't
big one.
guess it.
Pencil.
I see line. Or green bean. I see finger. Oh, I know, it's pencil.
Hey, I got it. So, how many I got? I got a 5, okay? I'm passed. So, 5 times 6 is what? So, you got two chances, okay? If less than 3, you will fail. Very good, very good. So, how many points I got? 5 times 6. I got an 83, okay? So, right here, okay? On the first week, right here, okay? Week 1 is like a light yellow, so check out quick draw, okay? You can click on here, the language, 2 chances, okay? If less than 3, you are fail, right? For your first grades, 5%, okay? 5 minutes. 5 minutes.